Hello students, today we will discuss the subject computer applications for the standard class 10th. Okay, in this video class we will discuss unit 2. Unit 1 is completed. So the first topic of this unit is web page or HTML documents. What is web page? Web page is a document created with the help of HTML. This is also known as the HTML document or HTML file, and it may contains hyperlink and hypertext. Means website is the collection of hyperlink and hypertext. It is not necessary that every web page will have hyperlinks, but every web page contains hypertext. What is hyperlink? Hyperlink is a redirection link. Means it is a link which redirects the user to another section of the same page, or to the another section of the website, or to another website also, another web page also. Okay. And what is hypertext? Hypertext, whatever the content we have provided on the web page, that is known as the hypertext. Even hyperlinks are also known as hypertext. But if someone asks you the definition of hyperlink, you cannot define that hyperlink is the hypertext. Then you have to tell hyperlink is the link available on the websites that helps us to redirect from one section to the another section of the same web page, or to another website. Okay. All this definition you have written in the class 7 and 8. So we will discuss advanced sections here. How to create and save HTML documents. It is very easy to create and save the HTML documents. Just you have to use any text editor, plain text editors. On Windows we have Notepad. So we are working on the Windows machine. So we will follow this procedure. We will open the Notepad, and on Notepad write the codes of your website, whatever the HTML codes you wish to write there, and click on the file menu. From there choose the option save as, and after save as option, browse the desired location and write the file name to be saved by. Just naam se whatever the name you wish to save, write the name and then click on the save button. I'll show you how to do this. This is the Notepad. See here, Notepad is written here, and the file name is saved already, but I will show you how to save it. Click on the file, and from here save as. Okay, it will ask for the location where to save it, and on this machine desktop, and on the desktop we have a folder cluster, and here I will save it. Suppose I am saving it as a demo. And make sure, if you wish to save this HTML file, make sure to give the extension HTML, otherwise it will not work like web page. So be 100% sure to provide this extension HTML. Then press save. Okay, let's see what happened. And now here the demo page is saved. Just I will click here. What happens? Let's see. The page is loading. Just wait. And here the page is. Okay. Style is not working. Okay, we will discuss style later. So today we are not going to discuss the styles. So this is the process to save the files. Means click on the file and then save as, and choose the desired location. This is the location I am saving here. Okay, and after that provide the file name and be 100% sure to give extension HTML. Okay. Now the file is already saved, so we will continue to another topic. So I think this is clear. Now let's access the web page using web browser. How to access the website, the web page? How to access the web page which you designed? Let's see how we can access it. So to access the web page, we require a software that is known as the web browser. A web browser is the application software. It helps to browse the website. Website means all the web pages we can browse with the help of browsers. And the example of some web browsers are Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Opera, etc. There are lots of web browsers, but I have included some 4 here, and etc. I could not write. So I will show you the interface of all these browsers which I have written here. This is the interface of Google Chrome, and see the icon. This is the icon, circular triangular. This is the Google Chrome. Okay, yeah, Google Chrome is written here. Google Chrome, and the interface is in front of you. This is Internet Explorer. See the Internet Explorer. This is the interface of Internet Explorer. Okay. Then I will show you the interface of Mozilla Firefox. And this is the interface of Mozilla Firefox. And now we will see Microsoft Edge. So representation style is different of every browsers. Every browsers have some special way of representing the web pages. So when you will write when you will create a full length HTML file, then you will come to know all the differences. I have created single text, so you will not be able to clearly identify what is the difference between all these browsers, but very soon you will come to know that every page has a different way of representation. So just to continue, how to access the web pages. This was the main topic. So to access the web page means to open the page in the browser. So earlier we used to follow the procedure that click on the file menu, then click open option or open files option are there, then browse for the web page, means whatever the page you wish to open, and then click on the open. But this process is just for the documentation purpose. No one is going to use this purpose, and that's why this method is known as the history. And this is not the current process, and this is not the effective process nowadays. We have a very efficient way to open the page. I will show just how to. Just double click on the HTML file and it will be opened by the web browser by default. Just see how we can open it. Here we have all the pages. I'm going to open any page I'm going to open. Just double click and the page is being opened. So this is very easy. By default I'm using Google Chrome, that's why all the pages are being opened in the Chrome by default. But if you wish to open in another browser, all the options are here. Right click and click on open with, means go on open with, and all the browsers which we have are listed here: Firefox, Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge. Click and it will open this in Internet Explorer. It is very easy. Now we will discuss HTML tag. What is HTML tag? Tag is also known as the element, HTML element, and this is the tool to create layout on HTML document. Means whatever the content we are going to write on the HTML page, that must be written with the help of these tags. Without these tags we cannot write anything on the HTML website. So they are the useful commands, they are the helpful tools there. all the tags are going to help us to create the HTML documents. Okay, and HTML is not the case sensitive language, so you may write in the capitals, you may write in the small letters, however you feel the comfort to write the codes. So next, HTML tag. The first tag which we are going to discuss is the HTML tag. And HTML tag is known as the root of the document. Okay, it represents the root of HTML document. Whatever the code, whatever the contents, whatever the tags which we are going to write, all the tags will be placed inside this HTML tag. And this tag is known as the container tag. That's why it has a starting tag and the ending tag also. To start, we use angular bracket HTML, then angular bracket closed, and to end this angular bracket, then forward slash, then HTML, then angular bracket closed. This is the way to write HTML tag and to close. Make sure to close all the tags which we are using. If that tag is container tag, you must close that tag. And next is head tag. Head tag placed inside HTML tag, and it is used to contain metadata. What is metadata? Metadata is data about data, means data about your HTML page. And what is this? Metadata defines the title of the document, styles which we are going to use on the page, the scripts which we wish to access here, which we wish to use, and other information. And one more thing, except title, means nothing is visible. Impact of all these things are visible, but these are directly not visible. Whatever the code, whatever the thing we will write here, they are not visible inside the web page. Even title is also not visible inside the page. Title is visible on the title bar only, because this is the name of the document. So whatever the content we are going to write inside the metadata, that is not visible on the web page. Okay, we will see the examples directly. Let's discuss some tags. And title tag. Title tag placed inside HTML tag, and it contains the title of the HTML document. Okay, the name of the HTML document, and title must be text only. You cannot provide anything, images and tables, etc. Nothing. We cannot provide anything here. The plain text should be written inside the title tag, and title is displayed on the title bar. Body tag. Every HTML page is logically divided into two sections. The first one is the head section and another is the body section. Okay, head contains metadata and body contains all the contents of the page. And it is also placed inside the HTML tag, and it contains the body of HTML document. Body means it contains all the content, means whatever the hyperlink, whatever the hypertext which we are going to write on the web page, that is placed inside the body tag. Okay, we will see the examples. So let's now attributes of the body tag. From here we will start getting the examples. So the text attribute, first attribute which we are going to discuss is the text attribute, and this attribute is used to define the color of the text. Whatever the text which we are going to write inside the body, inside on the HTML page, we will define the color of that page, the text here, with the help of this. See the example. Here we have a page open in the Google Chrome. This is showing red color, and the page which we opened here, every page is having red color. And how it is, let's see the code. Right click here and page source. We have the shortcut also, Control U. See the code here. HTML is the main, is the root of this document. Then head tag. Head tag is containing metadata, means the title of this page. Here we are not using any styles. We will use the styles with our syllabus. Okay. Then head tag is closed. Then body, and this is the text attribute. Text equals to red, means whatever which we are going to write here, that must be in the red color. That's why this is in the red color. Okay, if we wish, we may change the color. Let's just see how we can change. Okay, I'm going to remove this style. I'm going to remove style. Just see. Demo page. Okay, just opening this demo page. And see, the color is green. We used some other styles here, but that is not working, and need not to worry. Here we are not going to discuss the styles, so we will work on there. Okay, text or style sheet. Okay, need not to worry. Okay, don't worry, style section we will discuss later. And some error is here, so need not to worry. Okay, now the background attribute. Background attribute is there to use some pictures as a background. That picture maybe the downloaded picture or the painted by you in the paint or in any graphical application. So whatever the image you have, if you wish to apply this image as a background, we have the option to use that. And for this we have the background attribute of the body tag. See how we can do this. And see, here we have the page which having a beautiful background. See what is the picture which we have applied here as a background. Automatically, by the logic of the browser, it is distributed to the whole page in the form of tiles. A single image is used as a background, but it is the logic of the browser to arrange this. So if the size of the image will be larger, then a single image may capture all this background, and if this size is not much enough, then it will appear like this tiles. Here is the text which we have written here. Okay, and by default this text is coming into the black color because I think we did not have applied any text style here. And see the code. HTML head title. The title of the page is the test page. For every page we have written here, and then body. And inside the body we have applied the attribute background, and we have not applied any the text color. That's why the text is appearing in the black by default. Okay, so going to discuss next attribute. Now BGColor attribute. BGColor attribute is there to define the background color. With the help of background attribute, we were able to use any image as the background, but here we will not be able to use the images as the background, but we can change the color of the background. See how we can change this. And see this page having the background color aqua color as a background, and before this all the pages was having white background and this black text. And just see the code how it is possible. This is possible because of this attribute BGColor. BGColor equals to aqua. We have defined here the BGColor. Okay. Link, vlink, alink attributes. These are three attributes. All these three attributes are related, or these will directly impact the hyperlink section. By default, the hyperlink appears in the blue color, in underline style, and color is blue by default style. And if you visit that link, the visited link appears in the purple color and the active link appears in the red color. But we have the option to change the color of the links. So link is there to set the color of hyperlink, and alink attribute is there to set the color of active link, and vlink, this attribute is there to set the color of visited link. Just see how it will change and how it will impact. Let's see, here is the page on which we have 3 hyperlinks, and every hyperlink is by default is blue in color and the style is underlined. All the hyperlinks are underlined and blue in the color, and this is hyperlink. This is the way to identify that this is the hyperlink. The cursor is changing. Cursor appears like this, so it means this is the hyperlink. Here cursor is not changing. This is not the hyperlink, and this is hyperlink. Cursor is changed. Okay. Now the default color is blue and active color. This is the active color. Means the moment you click on the link, that link gets activated, and this is the active link. Now here is the text of that page. Okay. We may go back. Now see, the color of that link is changed to the purple. This one and this is unvisited link, this is visited link, and this is active link. First one is visited, second one is active. And once you click on the link, that becomes active. It doesn't matter that is visited link or that is active link, that is visited or that is unvisited. Active is active. Once you click on that link gets activated, so the color of that active link will appear here by default. Now we will change the style. Okay, just see the code of this, what we have applied here. Nothing special we have written here. In the body there is no attribute, means vlink, alink and link attribute is not used, so that's why this was appearing as a default. Now we will change all these things. We will change these properties, and see this page have also 3 links, but all these links are in green in color, and earlier it was having blue color by default, but now it is green in color. So we will click here. Wow, the active link is in different color. This is the aqua color, and now visited the page, and visited link appears in the maroon color. Great. Okay, see, all together the first one is the visited link, second one is active link, and third one is unvisited link. Okay, now see the codes, how we have written this. See the change in line number 5 here. Okay, alink aqua means active link, aqua color, link by default color of the hyperlink is green, and visited link in maroon. So this way we can change the color of hyperlink. Okay, now coming to the next section, BR and HR tag. BR tag and HR tag, these are the empty tags. So BR tag is used to break the line, it means to change the line, and HR tag is used to draw a horizontal line. See what is the use of this. Before this we will discuss inserting comments. I think all these are accessed. Okay, inserting comment. What is the comment? Comment is never visible on HTML document. Whatever you will write inside the comment section, that is not going to be displayed by the browser, and comment is written to help the developer. So you will be thinking, what is the use of this? So use of this comment is, it is there to help the developer. You will be writing, suppose you are going to create huge project, a huge website, and there are lots of programmers are working. So the moment you will finalize that website, all the work of every developer will be compiled at a place, and then that time you will not be able to know what the other programmer is doing and what is the purpose of that code. So for that, comment is there to help you and to help them also, because after some time you may also forget for what purpose you have written this code. So the comment is there to help you if you are going to access that code after a long time. Okay. The syntax of this is starting angular bracket, then exclamatory mark, 2 hyphens, then after giving space write the comment text, whatever you wish to write right here, and then after a space 2 hyphens, and then angular bracket closed. Just see the example and then it will be more clear. See the page. The same page is here, but here hello everyone is in 2 lines, and here it was in single line. So to change the line, we cannot manually change the line. For this we have to write a tag. Okay, and that tag is br tag. Just see the code here. Hello, then br tag is here, and then everyone. We cannot change the line manually. Let's just let me show you. Is it possible to change or not? And to demonstrate that, I've created 2 different pages, means some more text I have written. See, the content is same. Content is same here, the text content, but here it is appearing like 3 lines. Okay, and this is the logical break by default. This text is by default changed by the logic. It will go there if we will resize the page. Okay, and here if we will resize the page, all things appear in single line. Okay, so just set on this 125%, and this is also okay. Here we have 3 lines, here we have only single line. Now we will try to change the line without using BR code. See the codes. Okay, see the codes. This is the code. Here we have used BR tag. After this, on the insert tab, line changed. Then after this width, again a BR tag is used, and after this width again line is changed. Okay, and in this page everything is written in one line. Okay, now we will try to change this also. So for that we require this textbook, notepad. Okay, open with notepad. So manually we are going to change the line 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm giving much space so that browser may not get confused. Okay, I've saved this. Now let's refresh the page. What happens? The same thing is appearing here. This is the code. Now nothing. Why? Because we cannot give manually, we cannot provide line change, line break manually. For this we have a tag, and that must be used, BR tag. Here everything is written in one line, but BR tag is used. That's why browser knows where to break the line. And this is, I think it is clear for you all. This is one line. Here we have changed line manually, 2 lines, but still that is of no use. And here using BR and writing all the code in a single line, it is helpful. See, all the code is written in single line, but this is the magic of this BR tag that is there to change the line. And here we have manually changed the line, but that is worthless. So this is the use of BR tag. And this horizontal line is appearing just because of this HR tag. Okay, this is the HR tag. This is also empty tag, so it need not to be closed. Just write the opening tag of this HR and this will work. In the same way, the BR tag is also working. Okay, now the third section which we are going to discuss is the comments. And see the line number 8. This is the way to write the comments. And on this page we do not have any comments, so we are going to close this. Just close this. Okay, this is the comment. Whatever text we have written inside this section, that is not going to appear on this page. Okay, so this is the comment. Anything you wish to write, you have to follow this procedure. Starting angle bracket, exclamatory marks and 2 hyphens, and after space start writing your comment, and after space 2 hyphens, and then closing angle bracket, and it will close the comment section. Okay, you may write this multiple line comment also. Just I will show you how it can be done. Okay, suppose we are going to write this exclamatory mark, hyperlinks, hyphens, and then hyphen, exclamatory marks. Okay, just save it as comment.html. Okay, why to change the original page? This was the original page number 4. Okay, all the things were written there, and this is the comment. You see, the text which was here is not visible. See the codes are same. This is the code and this is the code. Just this comment section is added here. So whatever we will write inside these 2 tags, means these 2, that will be treated as comment. And you may write multiple line comment or single line comment, depends upon you. Okay, see clearly. Okay, now it is very clear. So I think you are very clear that how to write the comments. Comment may be of 1 line, comment may be of multiple lines also. Okay, this is multiple line comment and this is single line comment. Okay, coming to the next section. Headings in HTML. There are 6 heading labels in HTML from H1 to H6, and here H1 is the largest and H6 is the smallest among all these 6 labels. Okay, we will see how to apply. This is also very easy, not to worry. See here. Here are the all headings are. Heading 1, 2, 2. Actually, text is not changed. See here, text is not changed. That's why. Just wait. I'm going to change the text. Heading. Open with Notepad. This is changed. Just coming back. Okay. And here this is also changed. So here H1 is the largest and H6 is the smallest heading. Okay, it's very clear. Now next section. Paragraph tag. What is the use of this paragraph tag? This tag is there to create the paragraphs. If we wish to create the paragraphs, easily we can create with the help of this tag. And what is the use of this? This is also a container tag. So I'll show you an example and that will make you very clear. Suppose this is the text which we are going to write on our HTML page. See, there are 3 paragraphs. Okay, and the same what we will do, we'll copy this. Okay, right click, copy. Okay, and here we're going to type. Okay, this was the paragraph and this was the paragraph. Okay, now save it and open the page, the cell paragraph. And this is the way the browser is representing the text. All these were inside the paragraph, but still that is being, everything is written here, but still. So what we can do this. And how it is possible? This is possible just because of this paragraph tag. No breakline tag is used, BR tag is used, but still we are able to see the line change. And suppose if you wish, you may provide here BR tags. I think that will help the purpose. I think let's see what happens. See, after applying this BR tag, and this is without BR tag, see the difference. So this is the style of paragraph tag. It gives a proper space and it creates the paragraph. And paragraphs are very important. If you wish to apply a particular style to a particular paragraph, then this tag is going to help you. Using BR is not going to serve your purpose, fulfill your purpose. See the codes. Here we have used BR tag and here without BR tag. Okay, difference is very clear. So do not get confused that we can do this with the help of BR tag. No, BR tag is not going to help you. This is the paragraph tag that is going to save you, to create the paragraphs for you. Okay, bold, italics and underline. If we wish to create the text in bold style, italics and underline style, so we have the tags for them also. It is very easy also. All the tags are used to format the text on the web page. And B, this tag is used to bold, and this is the syntax: starting bold tag, and then the content whichever you wish to write in the bold style, and then the close the tag. And for underline, this tag and the text and then underline. For italics, this. See the example, because without example it is not good to practice. So examples are best to practice. Okay, see, the first three paragraphs are simple paragraphs, and after that we have used HR, this horizontal rule, and then bold. This paragraph is used to bold, same is used as italics, and same is used as underline style. Okay, and what we have done just after these three paragraphs, horizontal rule is applied, and then P, bold, and then after HR tag, italics, and then underline. Okay, this is the way, very easy to use. Whatever the text you apply as the italics, just apply in between. Now we will change this section into the italic section. Okay, just wait and see, this is changed. Here it is straight and here it is italics. This was the code, third paragraph now. Change current quick. Okay, and here just see the code. Change current quick inside the italics tag I. Okay, so this is the way. in between paragraphs we may also use, outside the paragraphs we may also use. Okay. Then listing, ordered listing. How to do ordering on HTML? Ordered list is a numeric, alphabetic and Roman in type. Okay. And then default type of ordering is numeric. To change the order style we have the type attributes, and with the type attributes, and there is another attribute also, that is the start, and with this attribute we may set the number, hence from where to start. Okay, just see, and OL tag is used for this. See the examples. Just wait. See, this is the order list. This is starting from numeric 1 2 3. This is alphabetical. This is small letter APC. This is Roman, and this is Roman small, lowercase lower Roman. Okay, and how it is done? Just see. Whatever the attributes are used here, don't worry about that. Hyperlink is not used, that's why that is worthless. And see here, ordered list O3. Nothing is styled, nothing defined in the type attribute, so by default is numeric, that's why this is numeric. And then OL type equals to A, OL type equals to A, capital A, here small a, this is also type small a, then I, capital I is there to represent the Roman numbers. Okay, and then small I is there to represent lowercase Roman numbers. Okay, and we have the option, we will discuss the start attribute also. Just wait. Start attribute. See, here the number was started from 1, and here it is started from 10. How it is possible? Let's see the code. See, OL, order listing OL, start equals to 10. That's why this number is started from 10. Then OL type equals to A means capital letter, uppercase alphabets start from 15, and O is the 15th letter of the alphabets. Then lowercase alphabets and start from the 20, and T is the 20th letter. Okay, then numeric number start from 15 again. Okay, this is starting for 15. X stands for 10, V stands for 5, that's 15. Okay, and then type equals to lowercase Roman and start from 30. And see, so this is the way to change the starting position. By default it will start from 1, but we have the option to change the presenting style from 2 3 and more than. Okay, hope it is clear to you all. List items, how to represent the list items. So li tag is there to represent the list items. Okay, and this is also container tag, and this is commonly used with ordered and unordered lists. I think you have seen in this example. See, li is used to provide the list items, means whatever the item which we are going to write, this apple, mango, guava, whatever you will write, that must be written inside the li, because this defines the list items. Okay, see, everywhere. Okay, it is very clear now. Unordered list. this list doesn't contain any special order. Okay, bullets are used to define the orders, and defined bullet type is disk. We have disk, circle and a square. These are three different bullet types which we can use, and type attribute is also used here to change the bullet style. See the example. This we will discuss in the next class. So just see the example of this unordered listing. See this, and this is not ordered listing, this is unordered listing. Wait. So this is an ordered listing, and see the default style is this black dot. This is known as the disk, and this is the circle, and this is the square. Okay, see the codes, and it will give some more clarity to you all. Here UL, no type is defined here, and by default it is like this is the disk. That's why need not to define. Then UL type equals to circle, and this is the circle, and then UL type equals to square, and this is the square. Again a list is there, and this is type equals to disk. To be 100% sure that disk is used as a style, you may define type also. This is the type equals to disk, and this is okay. And here start attribute is not, because you do not know the ordering of these bullets, so start attribute is not here. Okay, it is enough for the today's class. Remaining topics of this unit we will discuss on the next video class. Okay, thanks.